Yeah. Oh. Hey. I always thought that our relationship was cool. You played the role of having sense, I always played the fool. Now something's different, don't know the reason why. Whenever we separate, oh, I almost wanna cry. Oh no, please not that again. Love rears up its ugly head. And when I come home late, you don't complain, no call. So as a consequence, I don't go out at all. My friends are frightened, they don't know what's going on. They think you put a spell on me and now my mind is gone. Oh no, please not that again. Love rears up its ugly head. Yeah, its ugly head. Love's not so bad, they say, but you never know where love is gonna go. Does anybody really know? Check this out. I'm standing at the altar as they play the wedding march. I'm in a black tuxedo with my collar full of starch. Oh, she looks lovely as she's ever gonna get. I wake up from this nightmare in a pool of sweat. For you. Oh.